hips on your waist, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Angel. I'm back with another video today. I have a cold. Again. It seems like I had a cold in December. No, I had a cold in November, and I had a cold in December, and now another one in January. Like, I don't know what's going on, but it's really getting on my nerves. Let's get into this video today. I'm going to be sharing with you how I make extra money from my niche account. So my niche account just reached 1K. Yay! I've been building it for a couple months, not too long. It has been growing so quickly. First, let me explain. My niche account is basically a page that I post only pictures of women with natural hair, like natural curly hair. Excuse me. I will also post pictures of protective styles and things like that as well. It can be black women, mixed women, white women, whoever you are, and you have natural hair, then I post their pictures on that page. What is the point of this page? A lot of people think that these pages are just for you to go and look at and get inspiration from, and that is part of it, to celebrate women with natural hair. So that's why I actually enjoy that page, because they inspire me and they give me ideas, and it's just awesome to see all of the different hair textures that are out there and all the things that you can do with your natural hair. You know, for a long time, my hair, I used to straighten it because I didn't know how to take care of my hair. My mom didn't know how to take care of my hair, so we just straightened it and called it a day. But now I am learning more and more about how to take care of my natural hair, and I'm falling in love with it ultimately. But these pages, there's more than just natural hair pages that are niche accounts. You can make a fashion page, so if you love fashion, that's your passion. You can make a page devoted to fashion, all kinds of fashion. You can do like a specific style that you're into, whatever that may be. You can post pictures like that. You can post photos of like luxury pages, like have fancy cars on there, fancy houses. If you love looking at all that stuff and you just want to post all those awesome pictures, maybe to inspire people, chase after their dreams so they can obtain those things. That's awesome. A lot of pages do that. Fitness pages, they post like pictures of meals, pictures of workouts, inspiration, quotes, stuff like that. Now, like I said, these pages aren't just to give you inspiration. They can also make you money if you have your own niche page. So the way that I plan on making money with my niche page, and I already have started making money with it, is by doing shout outs, promotions, ads, things like that. So if you are a woman with natural hair and you want to be posted on my page, then it will cost you a couple of dollars. Right now it's cheap because I only have 1K. So it's $4 for your photo to be posted, and your photo will stay there forever. If you are a business and my followers fit within the kind of customers that you're looking for, then it is $6, and I'll post your ad on there. Your photo won't stay there forever. It'll stay there for like a week, I think, maybe a little less than that. I also have affiliate links on there. So what is an affiliate link? An affiliate link is a link that you would click on from a company, and they're able to track to see whose link is whose. So if somebody clicks on my link, it's going to be linked to my affiliate account. So I will get a commission for every person that makes a purchase through my affiliate link. For example, I have affiliate links to Amazon. I post a product of a Denman brush. Don't mind all the hair in here, but this isn't an official Denman brush, but let's just pretend it is because it looks exactly the same. So I have this Denman brush posted for sale on my curly hair niche page. So you click the link in my bio if you want to go buy one like this so you can get your own. and it'll take you to Amazon. It'll take you to this product on their page, and then once you purchase it, I will get a very small cut off of that purchase. But if the person also buys the brush and they just go shopping on Amazon, they buy a whole bunch of other stuff, you get a commission from everything that they make on their purchase, because they use your affiliate link to do that order. So that's another way to make money. There's so many other companies out there that do affiliate links and stuff like that. Can I think of any other ones off the top of my head? Not at the moment, but there's a lot of other companies out there. I'll do some research and list them on here for you guys. What else? Oh, you can sell your own products on your niche accounts. There's a way to definitely make some money on your page. So for example, if I wanted to sell t-shirts, which I plan on doing on my curly hair page, with like quotes about natural hair, women and natural hair and stuff like that, then that's a product that I could sell on there and make money from. So the product would fit my niche and be something that my followers would be interested in purchasing for themselves. The way that you can make money through your niche accounts is by having a blog. So for like a fashion or a fitness, for like almost any niche account, you can make a blog for it, and you can therefore monetize your blog. So you can have ads on there, so anytime anyone clicks on an ad on your blog, you'll make money. This is a whole nother topic. You can have affiliate links on your blog. You can like do like promotions on your blog as well. So if somebody wanted you to post their business ad or post them on your blog, you could charge for that. You could do all this stuff that would correlate with you making money through your niche account. So if I had a blog for curly hair, like teaching people how to get defined curls, the best products, let's do that. If I had a blog post talking about the best curly hair products, and I'd go through each, like say 5 different products, I could then link those products through Amazon, and if somebody decides to go and purchase that product, I would then make money. And also, if I have ads on my blog, then I would make money for every person that clicks on an ad on my blog. Ways that you can make money through niche accounts. My niche account has been doing so well. I haven't been posting as much as I want to, but I still get great traffic. Some pictures have gotten 16, maybe like 14,000 likes, 6,000 likes, 10,000 likes. Like, that's a lot of engagement on a page that only has 1,000 followers. So that's why I have started to monetize and charge for my promotions, because some pictures do get a lot of traffic to them, stuff like that. But I feel like niche accounts are so easy, they're much easier to grow than just a regular account, because people really like to follow those pages for inspiration and motivation and stuff like that. But it's great. Once the page grows bigger, then you may be contacted by brands and big businesses who want you to post their products on your page because of the followers that you have on your account. Let's say if Shea Moisture wanted me to post their products on my account, which, hey Shea, I will definitely be waiting for that offer one day, hopefully soon. They're probably going to pay you some big bucks depending on how many followers you have and how well your engagement is. So that's why growing a niche account is a great idea for a side hustle. You know, it could potentially be what you do full time if you are that engaged with it. And that's what you love to do. You don't want to be the face of your company, and maybe you don't want to maybe you don't like having your own Instagram, you don't like posting your own photos, but you do want to make money, you do want to start a business or a side hustle. That's a great way to do it. You don't have to ever post yourself. You can always post other people and tag them in the photos like I do on my curly hair page. Guys, so that's gonna wrap up my video for today. I just wanted to make a quick video letting you guys in on why niche accounts are so amazing. Go ahead and follow my niche account. It is Curly Hair Cuties. I'll put the name up here. And follow my personal Instagram, Angel Gillen Official. Follow my business page, A Momtrepreneur's Guide. If you did that, then comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. What would you like to see next? Let me know what questions you have below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. And